Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. So today I got with me Vivo V17. So today in this video, let us have the specification, physical overview, and let's also compare it with Vivo V17 Pro and let's find the difference between them. So let's get started. Starting off the specification, Vivo V17 comes with 6.44-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED iView display. As you all can see, it does not have the notch and it comes with punch-hole camera. Now moving on to the processor, comes with octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and we also have the option for expanding the storage via microSD card slot. Moving on to the cameras, it comes with quad cam setup with 48, 8 and 2 2MP sensors. On the front side it comes with 32MP sensor. Phone is boosted by 4500 mAh battery and comes with on-screen fingerprint scanner. Now let's have the physical overview of this device. On the front side, as we all can see, it has got the punch-hole camera. Then on the back side it comes with quad cam setup with the L-shaped camera. Then at the top we have the secondary noise cancellation microphone. Then at the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, mic, USB Type-C port and speaker. On the right side we have volume increase and decrease button. Then below it we have got the power button. On the left side, as we all can see, we have the SIM tray. So now let me just check the fingerprint scanner. Vivo claims 0.2 seconds for unlocking this device. The fingerprint scanner, as we all can see, is very fast, and so far in my testing it worked fine. Both Vivo V17 and V17 Pro comes with the same processor, same screen size. Both these devices have quad camera setup and both have the same RAM and ROM. Now let us compare Vivo V17 and V17 Pro and let's find out the differences. So the first difference, as we all can see, in Vivo V17 we actually get this punch-hole camera, whereas in Vivo V17 Pro we actually get the pop-up dual selfie camera. Now moving on to the back side. So on the back side, as we can see, we have got the quad camera setup on both these devices. In Vivo V17, we have the cameras placed in the form of L shape, whereas in Vivo V17 Pro, the cameras are placed one below the other. Now moving on to the bottom, in Vivo V17, as we can see, we have got the 3.5mm headphone jack, mic, USB Type-C port and speaker, whereas in Vivo V17 Pro, we have got the SIM tray, mic, USB Type-C port and speaker. Then on the left side, as we can see, we have got the smart button in Vivo V17 Pro. So now let me just try this once. So as you all can see, when I click it, within a second and the Google Assistant actually pops up on the screen. This smart button has been given a miss on Vivo V17. Then on right side, as we can see, both these devices have the volume increase and decrease button, and below it we have got the power button. So Vivo V17 comes with 48, 8 and 2 2MP sensors, whereas Vivo V17 Pro comes with 48, 8, 13 and 2MP sensors. Vivo V17 Pro, we actually get the pop-up dual selfie camera. So that's it from this video guys. Hope you all found this video useful. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.